Cheers, good.
Yeah. Nice meeting you, Dan.
It's good meeting you too.
Yeah.
I got a lift. Back at a familiar location. I was actually here just over a year ago, and at that time I built myself a bushcraft shelter. When I was done, I disassembled it, stashed the wood in hopes of one day coming back. Anyways, we're back finally. It's been about 15 months, a lot longer than I anticipated to be back in this location, but we're here. Plan is to build another shelter, cook a delicious dinner, and just enjoy ourselves. Got a beautiful day. It's supposed to go down at about -10 tonight. Awesome. This wood is perfect. Woo. So this here tree is dead, and I don't think it's going anywhere in a hurry, so I'm going to use it as one of my posts to build my structure. Woo! Holy moly. I did a bad job on this. Ooh! Alright, let's get this food going. Might take a minute, so I got a butternut squash here. Gonna get this wrapped in tin foil, and I want this to be cooking for hours. This is some homemade dry rub. Pretty good. It's not perfect, but better than it was before. This is cozy. I think the chicken's pretty well. I brought a thermometer, so I'll check it out in a sec. But I feel like it's going pretty well. Chamomile, honey, and vanilla. Getting there. So this chicken on a rope idea wasn't my own. I got this idea from Keenan from Canoe the North. I think he got it from Jim Baird, and I think Jim got it from somebody else. And the idea for this structure was inspired by the Outdoor Boys. Oh, and the acorn squash. I got that idea from Brad Jennings from Explore the Backcountry. He cooked some acorn squash for me recently on one of our outings, and it was just so good. So kind of took all that inspiration from all those people and kind of turned it into my own. Got some cilantro. Squash has been ready for hours now. There's some goat cheese here. I say it looks pretty dang good. Yo, excellent. It's perfectly juicy. A little bit of maple syrup. There we go. Dinner is served. Okay, well, the whole chicken is kind of excessive. We know the chicken's good though. Let's try the acorn squash with goat cheese, cilantro, and maple syrup. It's really good. Look how juicy that is. Just dripping. Come on. Come on. There we go. There you go. Ah. Let's take the breasts off for the morning. I'm gonna do this acorn squash more often. Or any kind of squash. It's almost like it's as easy to cook as a potato. Just toss it in the fire with tin foil. Delicious. We got a chicken breast and a half. I'm gonna save those for the morning. Some hot chocolate. This is a bit of cayenne and cinnamon. We're doing Mayan hot chocolate. That's really nice. Ooh. That's wonderful. It's around 10:30. It's getting a little colder, and I'm feeling pretty tired, so I'm gonna crawl into my sleeping bag and head off to sleep. See you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning, everyone. It's bright out. Whew. I had a great night's sleep. I think I woke up once to take a whiz. Perfectly dry. So I was gonna see if I can make like an acorn squash patty to then put the chicken on top of for breakfast, but it seems a little far-fetched. So I'm gonna scrap that. I'm just gonna have leftovers. Might as well. I had all that food from last night, so. And how do you beat leftovers? Can't. That'd actually be good cold. Light drizzling of syrup. Maple, that is. Damn, it's just so good. It just makes me wanna. Great little one-nighter out here by my pile of wood. I wouldn't call it a bushcraft fort or anything because it's disassembled at the moment. Anyways, I'm just happy that the wood was still in one piece. It's wonderful to be able to come out here and just build a little fort without having to process any wood. Sawing can be a pain in the butt, you know. Anyways, it's a nice little one-nighter, and I'm gonna head on out. This is actually probably gonna be the last video until I'm down in Southwest USA. I'm gonna be there for a couple weeks. I'm not exactly sure. That trip is kind of open-ended, and I still need to figure out a lot of details for that trip. Things aren't shaping up the way I was hoping for them to, but what I've learned over time is that in the end of the day, everything kind of works out. Whether it was this grandiose plan that I had or whatever it turns into, not only will it be fine, but it'll be exactly how it should be, which I'm looking forward to. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that one as much as I did. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.